Struggling to choose the perfect lawnmower? You're in luck. I've spent a whole year testing out Honda and Briggs and Stratton mowers, and I'm here to share all the insights. When comparing Honda and Briggs and Stratton push mowers, several factors come into play, including price, maintenance, customer support, design, power, fuel efficiency, and noise. To reiterate, this comparison is based on my personal experience and may not reflect the experiences of everyone else. Now let's get started. Briggs and Stratton engines are generally easier and less expensive to maintain and repair, making them a practical choice for ease of upkeep. Honda engines excel with their exceptional design and assembly, featuring carburetors with deeper bowls for extended running times, even with increased sediment in the fuel or air mixture. These carburetors are designed for more comprehensive disassembly compared to Briggs models. Honda opts for more durable fuel lines, slower to degrade than those from Briggs. The latest Briggs engines include a plastic carburetor, a feature absent in Honda engines. While easier to remove and rebuild, they are prone to clogging. Honda engines feature notably more robust spark plugs. For durability and longevity, Honda is the preferred choice, though they may require more costly maintenance and repairs. Both Honda and Briggs and Stratton engines excel in cutting efficiency, offering features like mulching capabilities and various cutting heights. However, specific performance can vary depending on the mower model. Customer support efficiency can vary by location and specific issue. Honda, with its larger infrastructure, might offer a more streamlined process in some areas. Briggs and Stratton, being a smaller company, could provide more personalized customer service. Warranty terms and after-sales service quality are crucial. Honda generally offers comprehensive warranty terms, reflecting their confidence in product quality. Briggs and Stratton also provide competitive warranties, though specifics can vary by product. Both companies offer extensive online resources, including manuals, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. Honda's global presence might give them an edge in the diversity of online resources available in multiple languages. Honda is renowned for high-quality, durable, and reliable engines. They typically employ advanced technologies, contributing to their longevity and consistent performance. Suitable for challenging mowing tasks, including slopes, Honda stands out. Briggs and Stratton is also recognized for quality and durability, with many models featuring innovative cooling and filtration systems to extend engine life. Honda engines generally offer higher power ratings and excellent fuel efficiency due to advanced engine technologies. They are designed for smooth and even cutting. Briggs and Stratton engines are praised for their balance of power and efficiency, suitable for most lawn sizes and types. Honda engines tend to operate more quietly than many competitors, a benefit in noise-sensitive environments. This reduction in noise is attributed to their overhead camshaft design, offering smoother performance and reduced friction. Briggs and Stratton engines, while efficient, may generate more noise. Dismantling a Honda mower engine reveals its superior engineering and construction compared to its competitors. Honda's expertise in motorcycle and car engines is evident, applying high-quality engineering to a mower engine with about 10% of the power output. With proper maintenance, these engines boast an almost unparalleled lifespan, justifying their higher price. In contrast, a Briggs and Stratton engine appears to meet the necessary standards, with slightly wider tolerances and more plastic components. However, some of these engines can last up to 40 years with consistent oil refills, offering longevity combined with a lower cost. Honda motors are typically more expensive, reflecting their high-quality design and performance features. Conversely, Briggs and Stratton motors are often less expensive, offering a good balance of performance and value, making them a popular choice among various users. In summary, the choice between Honda and Briggs and Stratton push mowers depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize durability, reliability, and fuel efficiency, and don't mind a higher cost, Honda might be the better choice. If you seek a more budget-friendly option with decent performance and innovative features, Briggs and Stratton could be more suitable. Remember, regular maintenance is key to the longevity of any lawnmower engine. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more content.